How to unclog arteries fast. This drink will unclog arteries and protects against heart diseases. Heart disease has become quite a problem in the US today. Hypertension stretches blood vessels and artery walls. Unfortunately, it increases cholesterol levels as well. High cholesterol is a major contributor to the occurrence of heart disease, because fats from the food you eat tends to accumulate in the lining of the blood vessels. These fatty deposits form an atheroma, which is sort of a deposit. A layer of deposit forms on top of the atheroma. The deposit triggers an inflammation in the blood vessel wall. The plaque is actually a ticking bomb, because it poses a threat of sudden rupture. The body is designed to repair tiny ruptures by producing life-threatening blood clots. But, there is a great possibility that these clots may restrict the artery or flow down the artery and block it at its narrowest spot. Minor plaque also increases the risk of sudden heart attack. You can control your LDL levels in several ways. First, introduce some healthy dietary habits. Eat more foods that are low in fat and high in fiber. Make sure your food provides enough antioxidants. Raisins are low-fat food, and they are abundant in antioxidants and fiber. These have shown to prevent and reduce the accumulation of bad cholesterol, and thus protect the blood vessels. Try this juice recipe to unclog arteries and prevent heart disease. Ingredients: 2 teaspoons ginger, grated. 1 cup raisins, washed and cleaned. 4 teaspoons green tea. 1 liter purified water. 2 tablespoons honey. Preparation: put your both raisins and water in a pot. Turn the heat on and cook on low for 10 minutes. Take the pot off the heat, and add in your green tea, honey and 2 teaspoons of grated ginger. Put the lid on again and wrap the pot using a woolen cloth. Let the mixture rest overnight for at least 8 hours. Strain it next morning. Drink 150 to 200 milliliters of the juice twice a day, before your meals. Raisins are packed with soluble and insoluble fiber, potassium and antioxidants. These will benefit your heart health. Fiber also promotes the excretion of bile from the system, and aids in lowering cholesterol levels.